a guide you to fix video uploaded stuck on your Instagram. So let's see that. Go to the Google. So if your video has been stuck before uploading, so you can search for speed test or internet speed test and run speed test. And now if that is high and still the video is stuck, so again you can go for the search Instagram down. So if you tap on Instagram down, current status or the problems, sometimes that might be an Instagram issue that the servers might be slow and so you can't upload the video. So if it shows no current problems at Instagram, then let's go to Instagram again. Here tap on the profile. If you scroll, you can find top three lines. And if you scroll down, you can find data usage and media quality. Here, if you have toggled on upload at highest quality, that's it. Always upload at highest quality of photos and videos. Even uploading takes longer. So if you have toggled on this, then the uploading of the video can be take a longer time. If you want the video to be uploaded fast, then you can turn off this and the quality will be whatever that you have uploaded and it will not upload at highest quality and it will fastly upload the video. This is how you can fix video uploading stuck on Instagram. Thank you.